Hello everyone, this is Himani Sharma and this is my third task, which is exploratory business data analysis. So I have done this analysis using Python, and the libraries which I have used are mainly pandas, and for graphics I have used Matplotlib and Seaborn. So here you can see I have imported data from sample superstore CSV file, and here data visualization is done. I am displaying here the first 5 rows of the data, and you can see here the number of rows and columns and information about the data types. So now we have all the information about data set, and as you can see there are no missing values in data, so we have no need to worry about the null values or missing values. Now we can see here the statistics of the quantitative variables to see if there exist any not possible values. So here we are seeing, so it is done, and now we are seeing the number of duplicate transitions. So there are 17. Since duplicate transactions are very low and order ID and date and time are not given, so we are not deleting the duplicate data. And now we are framing the plots for data frames. So here it is done, and now everything will be shown graphically to you. Now which ship mode brings the highest profit? We can see here the standard class is bringing the highest profit, and the segment which is bringing the highest profit is consumer, you can see here. And which country brings the highest profit? The country column was given, but I think there was only one country here, United States. And which country category brings the highest profit? You can see here in this plot. Then there is profit analysis. You can see the analysis of the profit column. What is the maximum, minimum, mean, count, everything, and some statistical analysis. And this is the profit distribution graph. Now you can see top 10 cities with maximum profit, which are giving maximum profit, generating maximum profit, and bottom most 10 cities with the lowest profit. So here it is done. Thank you for joining me.